Welcome to Beography. Learn to create intricate geometric designs effortlessly, right in your web browser. Unleash your creativity.
Welcome to the Radial Slatted Model tutorial. Here is a preview of the computational model we will build in this video. Here is our completed parametric model layout and node canvas. To begin setting up for fabrication, zoom into the vertical fins node section. Locate the join node output. Search for and add a change origin node to the canvas. Connect the curve output to the geometry input of change origin. Next, search for and add a tree statistics node. Connect the geometry output to the tree input of tree statistics. Now search for a division node and place it below. Connect the count output from tree statistics to port A of the division node, setting the dividend value to 360. Add a rotate and connect the geometry output from change origin to rotate input. Add set sequence node next. Connect the division result to the step input of set sequence and take the count from tree statistics. Check the tree structure using panel. Add a graphed tree node and an opposite node. Connect the sequence output through graphed tree into opposite. Add a deg-to-rad node to convert the angle into radians, then attach its output to the angle input of a rotate node. Add a second rotate node. Search for vector x and connect its output to the vector input of the second rotate node. Search for linear array and place it on the canvas. Add a construct point node and a vector x node to set the array spacing. Take the count from tree statistics in linear array. Add a range input node to adjust the linear array count. Search for orient and place it on the canvas. Connect the geometry from rotate output to orient and a plane XY node. Add a graphed tree node and connect its output to the plane 2 input of orient. Add a nesting Guillotine Best Fit node. Connect the unrolled geometries into the nesting tool to pack the fin components efficiently onto the sheet. Use a panel node to inspect the sheet dimensions and nested output layout. Add a flattened tree node to clean up the nested geometry paths for export. Hide the honest geometry on the canvas to display only the organized sheet layout. Search for CNC mill 3-axis and G-code exporter nodes to prepare the toolpaths for fabrication. Switch to the CEM Viewer tab. Select your CNC machine profile and click Add an operation to select 2D profile. Generate the G-code and preview the toolpath overlay across all nested fin parts. Run the 3D toolpath simulation to verify the cutter paths, pocket passes, and machining order. Inspect the generated G-code text lines in the panel to ensure all spindle and feed commands are ready for production.
Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial helped. For more on computational design, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. See you in the next tutorial.